display of one of the numerous cultures and traditions by women from Igbara Oke, the headquarters of Ifedore local government area of Ondo State, southwest Nigeria. A place where respect for culture and tradition as well as peaceful coexistence are given priorities. Just like every other Yoruba people in Nigeria, the origin of Igbara Oke people could be traced to one of the sons of Oduduwa known as Olofin in the Lara quarters of Ile-Ife. Olofin was the father of Obanifa Alayemore Ejijimogun, who later gave birth to Olowa Arajaka. In the process of ensuring an independent settlement, Olowa Arajaka and his wife Aribo left Ile-Ife and settled briefly at a place near Ilesha, and thereafter moved to a location where there was abundance of Igbara trees. The union of Olowa Arajaka and Aribo produced two male children, Alarilu and Adeigba, and they eventually left the location for Olowinrin, which is between the present Igbara Odo and Ikere Ekiti. After the death of Olowa Arajaka and his wife at Olowinrin, the two children later moved to settle at different locations. While Alarilu went to the southern part, now Igbara Odo, Adeigba went to the northern part, now known as Igbara Oke. The name Igbara was coined out of the Igbara tree, which history said performed healing wonders that made Olowa Arajaka had children.
Tẹ̀dé òòlù Igbara Oke wá láti Ilé-Ifẹ̀, láti ilé Ọlọ́fin. Ọmọ Olowa Arajaka ni wá. Bàbá wa àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn o, ká lọ wá láti Ifẹ̀. So bàbá yẹn wá bí ọmọ méjì. Ìkíní jẹ́ Ọlárẹ̀lú, ìyẹn ẹ̀gbọ́n. Àbúrò jẹ́ Adéyìgbà. Adéyìgbà òun ló tẹ ìlú Igbara Oke dó. Ọlárẹ̀lú òun ló tẹ ìlú Igbara Odo dó. Lábẹ́ igi Igbara la dé sí nílùú Igbara Oke. Àwa kà wá láti Ifẹ̀ bá a ṣe yapa lọ́tún lósì la fi jọ́rúkọ Igbara mọ́rúkọ wa. Igbara ta dúró sábẹ́rẹ̀ la wá sọ di Igbara Oke, Igbara Odo tó wá yí títí tá fi jẹ́ Igbara Oke, Igbara Odo. Àwa àti Igbara Odo ọmọ ìyá ni wá.
Àtìgbà tá ti débí many years ago láti wà ń bí náà kò dẹ̀ sí kankan tó mì wá ajagun òkùtù ajagun àwọn ará Iléṣà wọ̀nyí àwọn ènìyàn àdẹ̀sẹ́tù dàsíkà wá.
The thrones in the two towns are now referred to as Olowa of Igbara Oke and Arajaka of Igbara Odo, Ekiti. In 1903, Igbara Oke was merged with Akure, while Igbara Odo was merged with Ado Ekiti. Since the existence of Igbara Oke, described as Northern Town, indigenes have been coming together under various platforms to facilitate the much required development of the land and its people. In terms of socio-economic development and political representation, the people of Igbara Oke have always distinguished themselves. They have been creating various platforms towards the sustenance of the level of recognition of the people and the town have been attracting. There is no doubt that the descendants of Adeigba have continued to justify the confidence the people have in them and what they represent at various levels. The town has produced political leaders, captains of industry, as well as academics and committed citizens. Prominent indigenes produced by the town include former head of service and secretary to the Western State Government, Chief Augustus Adebayo, first professor of urban and regional planning in Ondo State, Nigeria. Igbara Oke has been lucky in the recent times with the developmental influence of an indigene who eventually became the 13th Olowa. It is the story of an individual who has continued to display overall commitment to the development of both the individuals and the town at large. As the prince, the business mogul, facilitated the construction of the children's ward at the General Hospital Igbara Oke as far back as the year 2010. He ensured and sponsored the construction of a police post at Olowa, a community in the town. Many efforts he had put in place to touch the lives of his people earned him the title of Asiwaju of Igbara Oke, conferred on him by the immediate pastor Olowa, Oba John Adepoju.
It's been a source of inspiration to all of us, especially those of us who are his friends, and of course to the entire community.
Fún ìdàgbàsókè ìlú ni, fún ìgbéga ìlú ni, fún kí ibòmíràn kẹ́ dọ́gbọ́n ní ìlú kẹ́ jẹ́ kòtò, kẹ́ lọ fọ̀kàn lóru yẹ̀pẹ̀ sí, kàn lọ kó kíní sí, kàn lọ ṣebẹ̀ dáadáa. Adéfarakànmí ó try.
Nípasẹ̀ rẹ̀ ló Igbara Oke tẹ̀síwájú nínú pé kó ran àwọn opó lọ́wọ́, nínú pé kó ní òbí tọmọ rẹ̀ lọ sílé ìwé tó wọ́n bá kù díẹ̀ tó bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ á dáhùn sí wọn á ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Ní pàtàkì fún gbogbo ọ̀dọ́ ìlú ó gbìyànjú ó ràn ọ̀dọ́ ìlú ó ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ pọ̀. Nípa báǹkì wa tó wà ń bí, torí báǹkì kan ṣoṣo la ní síbí, nípa akitiyan ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kí báǹkì yẹn kúrò ń bí.
Ìlọsíwájú ìlú yìí ló jẹ́ lógún. Àdẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, òun gan fúnra lára ó tún tẹ̀ síwájú sí. Bó ṣe ń ní lọ́síwájú, ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan náà ló ń tẹ̀ síwájú sí. Go to the hospital, ó ní wọ́ọ̀dù ń bẹ̀ tó fọwọ́ ara ẹ̀kọ́ fún ìgbélékè ìlú yìí, and so many other things. Tó bá jáde níbi ìsìn tó wo ìdáǹbẹ̀ yẹn, wà rí skul kan láǹbẹ̀. Ó kó àwọn èèyàn jọ wọ́n spearhead ẹ̀, lágbára Ọlọ́run skul yẹn ń gbọ́ kò ní pẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀.
And when the Olowa joined his ancestors, Prince Adefarakanmi Agbede eventually became the new Olowa.
Àti kékeré ló ti fi hàn pé ó máa jọba. Orí ẹ̀wọ̀n ìfọwọ́ kan nígbà tó wà ní kékeré. Bó fọwọ́ sẹ́nu ẹ̀ gan wàhálà ni. So ẹ̀rọ nǹkan tí mo fi hàn pé tó fi hàn pé sáì tí mo rí nìyẹn, èmi mọ̀ pé tí ọba ni.
Tí n bá nígbà tó wà ní kékeré tó ti rìn tí n bá lọ síbẹ̀ tí n bá débẹ̀ yẹn pé mò ń kí wọn tá a bá ń kí wọn tá a bá wọn ní pálọ̀ báyìí ọkọ àtàrà la wá kí ọkọ ẹni tá a wá kí yẹn á sọ pé kábíyèsí ni mo mú dání yìí àtúnwò kábíyèsí wálé ṣeun.
The election process carried out by 8 kingmakers saw the philanthropists emerged as 8 kingmakers voted in favor of Prince Adefarakanmi Agbede.
I know in every election there must be a winner and a loser. So I'm satisfied. Those that selected it, they tried to select it. So I accept defeat.
Today is a great day for us. We are here to select new Oba of Igbara Oke. 4 princesses vie for this Obaship. Among them is Lieutenant Colonel Agbede, retired. Adefarakanmi Agbede, Tayo Agbede, Adebisi, Obele. There are 4. We're supposed to have about 2 ruling houses here, but it was only 1 ruling house that presented candidates. The 9 kingmakers voted, and Adefarakanmi Agbede scored the highest mark in the process.
I'm happy to this event because all our expectations came to limelight today, and it is the beginning of progressive government in Igbara Oke. The situation is very lively. People are very happy. They've been jubilating outside and drumming. You can hear them drumming, and the voting pattern was okay.
We know by the special grace of God, the town will move forward. The town will move forward.
Inú wa dùn gan gidigidi torí ọba tó tìtù ni ọba tó lè rẹ̀lẹ̀ láàrin ìlú ni tí gbogbo ọmọdé àtàgbà àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin tọ́yàn láàyò.
Today's election is very free and fair.
The first procession round the town was a great confirmation of the love the people have for their new traditional ruler. It was jubilation in the nooks and crannies of the town as local hunters carried out different forms of display to usher in the new Olowa, while women groups and youths were represented. The Olowa and his entourage eventually proceeded to St. Paul's Anglican Church in the town for a Thanksgiving service. It was a platform for indigents to appreciate God for giving them a committed indigent and benefactor as a traditional authority.
Ọlọ́run ló yé nítorí pé èmi gan ò láyè rẹ̀. Ní ọjọ́ kìíní nígbà tí àwọn òbí mi sọ pé kí n máa bọ̀ nílé, mo ní kí ni mò ń bọ̀ wá ṣe nílé. Mi ò mọ̀ wípé wíwálé mi wípé oyè Ọlọ́run. Mo dúpẹ́ ní ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ní ọjọ́ òní. Ó ṣojú mi mọ̀ yọ. Ó ṣojú mi mọ̀ yọ. Ó ṣojú mi mọ̀ yọ. Ọjọ́ òní ṣojú mi mọ̀ yọ. Ó ṣojú mi mọ̀ yọ. Mo fi ọjọ́ òní dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run nítorí pé ọjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run dá ní ọjọ́ òní. Ọjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run dá fún Igbara Oke ní ọjọ́ òní. Mo mọ̀ wípé èmi tẹ́ rí yìí mo wá ṣiṣẹ́ fún Igbara Oke ni o. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ wípé wíwá tí mo wá sí Igbara Oke oyè Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ní ìgbà gbogbo ní ọ̀nà yín nílé yín nígbà tí ẹ bá ń gbàdúrà mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ mi sínú àdúrà.
Ọjọ́ tó dáa ni ọjọ́ tó dáa ní ayé gbogbo wa ni nínú ìdílé àgbẹ̀dẹ nínú ìdílé ògidì lórílẹ̀ alàyè àfògo fọ́lọ́run. Àmọ̀ràn tá a fún wọn ní pé wọ́n bá wa fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ torí àwa tí a jẹ́ ìyàwó kábíyèsí ọmọdé ni wá. Tó bá wa fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ inú wa á dùn á rí ṣe torí láìsí ìrànlọ́wọ́ wọn á lè rí ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n à ń bẹ̀ wọ́n pé kọ́ má fojú pàjọ́ ọmọdé wò wá ibi tó bá yẹ kán ti tọ́ wa sọ́nà kan tọ́ wa sọ́nà lórúkọ Jésù Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́. Àmín.
I pray and my advice to them that they should keep on praying for the Kabiyesi and me and my senior one that brought the wrapper that they used to back us, that should not remove it morning, night, evening, every day, every seconds of their life. They should not remove the wrapper. They should continue to support us in every area.
The emergence of Oba Adefarakanmi Agbede is a great blessing to the community, as the expectations of the indigenes are high that more developmental efforts will be achieved.
Because it appears as if God is now present in Igbara Oke. Because we have been looking forward to this occasion for a very long time to come. We've been looking forward that one day this particular man will ascend the throne in Igbara Oke. because he has been the rallying point of every son and daughter of Igbara Oke. He's the rallying point of everybody. He has been participating in anything progressive in Igbara Oke for the past 15 years. So we are happy that he was chosen to be our king, and I believe that the development in Igbara Oke will continue in a very fast track now that he has ascended the throne. And today being the day that the government is going to give it.
Inú wa dùn fún kábíyèsí wa tí a jẹ yìí torí fún kíni nǹkan tá à ń wá láàrí inú ra dùn sí gidigidi obìnrin Igbara Oke ló gbà tiẹ̀ àá ló lọ síwájú kábíyèsí wa náà àá ló lọ síwájú ìlú Igbara Oke á dá ló gbà tiwa á dá ló gbà tẹ̀rẹ̀ ìlú Igbara Oke á sùn á lùgbéga á darí bí ikú ọ̀dọ́.
Newest Oba in Ibaraki. I would say we are very lucky to have such a man as our Oba at this time. At this point in time, we are lucky, but it's lucky to have him. Don't forget, the man has been the Ashiwaju of Ibaraki for the past 15 years. And you know the role of Ashiwaju in the town. He has been the Ashiwaju of this town. So it's on the road to him. You understand? He has been assisting the Oba, the immediate past Oba, in ruling this town as Ashiwaju. And being a prince, we call him Oba that day. He has become Oba now.
Since he became a traditional authority, he has attracted eminent personalities who include the Ooni of Ile-Ife Oba Adeyeye Enitan Ogunwusi, the Ojaja II. There is no doubt that Igbara Oke will grow from strength to strength, while the new Oba will become the much required rallying point for the development of the town.
Indigenous of this town, we are all happy today because we are installing our new Oba, and the new Oba has been very, very rudimental, and he's been homely with all the rank and file of Igbara Oke indigenes, home and abroad, almost 20 years ago. It's been home fostering developmental projects. So it's like everybody wants him to be Oba. And we know that this is the great time that good God has appointed. And today he is our Oba. We are all happy.
Hey, Ibaraki. Ọba Francis Adéfarakanmi Agbẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀ Ògèdè Victor.
ọba tó ṣe ọ̀. àṣẹ. àdúrà tí ẹ bá mi gbà nílé láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án kí Olúwa kó máa tì lẹ́yìn. mo wá ṣiṣẹ́ fún Ìgbàrà Òkè ni o. ní agbára Ọlọ́run Ìgbàrà Òkè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tẹ̀síwájú. ṣe bàbá mi nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn ní ọ̀fífẹ́. wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ tán a ní kó ti ṣe é ṣe. ó ti ṣe é ṣe.
One second.